Hey everybody, how you doing? Mr. Bookman here, and I will be reading Ollie's Easter Eggs by Olivier Dunrea. Please enjoy. Ollie's Easter Eggs. This is Goosey and Gertie. They are gathering eggs. This is Boo Boo and Petey. They are gathering eggs too. And this is Ollie. He is hopping. Goosey dyes her egg bright red. Gertie dyes her egg bright blue. Boo Boo dyes her egg bright purple. Petey dyes his egg bright yellow. Ollie stares at the brightly colored eggs. "I want eggs," he shouts. Goosey hides her egg in the green grass. "My egg," whispered Ollie. He rolls the red egg out of sight. Gertie hides her egg in the yellow straw. "My egg," whispers Ollie. He rolls the blue egg out of sight. Boo Boo hides her egg in the red tulips. "My egg," whispers Ollie. He rolls the purple egg out of sight. Petey hides his egg under the green turtle. "My egg," whispers Ollie. He rolls the yellow egg out of sight. Ollie hides all the eggs under his blanket. Goosey and Gertie hunt for the Easter eggs. They look up in the tulips. They look under the turtle. Boo Boo and Petey hunt for the Easter eggs. They look in the grass. They look in the straw. Goosey and Gertie shoot past Ollie, searching, hunting. Boo Boo and Petey scurry past Ollie, hunting, searching. "Look," Ollie says. "Four small goslings stop and stare. Easter eggs," shouted Ollie. Well, Ollie's the one that took the eggs, huh? How many of you color eggs at Easter time? Let me know with a thumbs up if you color eggs at Easter time. Just curious. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this Easter story, and if you did, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that for me? If you're new and you came along this book reading, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other book readings I got? I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. But until my next book reading, they call me Mr. Bookman. And this book reading's over. Have a good one and take care. And happy Easter, everybody.